Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove yourself from an expense on Splitwise. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Splitwise application, and if you haven't logged into your account, proceed with using your email address and your password or your Google account. After logging in, you will be taken into the homepage, from which if you wish to remove yourself from any expense, then you will need to visit the group where this expense is located first. Just locate this expense and then tap on it, and you will see the history of this expense that you have. If you wish to remove yourself, tap on the delete icon at the top right corner, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete this expense. You will also be told that this will be removed from all of your friends as well. To confirm, just tap on the OK button, and this expense will immediately be removed, and you will also be free from this. However, before removing any expense, make sure to settle up any of your old debts. If you owe any debt to anyone, or if it is the other way around, you will see that the settle up button has a red color. So make sure to settle up all of your pending payments first before you remove yourself from an expense. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to remove yourself from an expense on Splitwise. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.